Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tlanhla Mdima, and I am back with another post-match video. This time it's a really special one. Orlando Pirates crowned 2025 Carling Black Label champions. Um, yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, it's always nice winning a trophy. That feeling, Jay, you win a trophy, it will never get old. You win a trophy. I mean, Sundowns doesn't get tired of winning the league. They've won the league 8 times in a row. They never get tired of winning a league. They always want more. They always want to retain a little consistency. So, yeah, winning trophies is never a feeling that just dies away. Yabo. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates, man. The job that they've done this season, Coach Ward, it's really impressive, honestly. Uqhamuka after Jose walking into those shoes, with the expectation already high, people will say, yeah, vele i-team uyifice iwi-spirits as high, cool, but I mean, I know not every coach can manage to continue that spirit, yabo. So, credit to Coach Wado, and credit to the players as well. I really do like these Orlando Pirates players. I mean, I love them a lot. They play for a badge. They play like they are Orlando Pirates players, abadlali be-Pirates. Bayafuna ukuba lapha, bayafuna ukwenza something special. And mina ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ngumuntu obsessed nge-attitude, ohlezi inake i-attitude yabadlali. So I see that attitude a positive from Orlando Pirates players. Yeah, man, yeah. Congratulations again to ezimnyama ngenkani. Bathi fasa Pagania, fasa ndoda emnyama. Going into the game, i-game mina beyingifrustrate, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, beyingifrustrate kakhulu. First half, okay, I thought the starting 11 sa Coach Ward was really good. First half, we controlled the tempo of the game, because we had a balanced starting lineup with the Makaula and Umbata who complement each other. That's 6 and 8. Nemtajela, who I'll speak about in a minute. About Apolis, no, Mfukeng on the wing. We had Mahopa, and then our usual back four. And we controlled the game. We created opportunities. We even created Letuba Lel from mistake Arup, which I think Kumahopa should have scored the la goal. Like ipaling aga dog usha straight to umdlali. Like ipaling aga bra. I thought we should have taken the lead early on. We created a lot of opportunities. We just couldn't bury them. Marumo Gallants, yes, defensively they were well organized, but I don't even think even defensively they were that good. Uti Nat, we just couldn't punish them. Yabo. They didn't even create any opportunities. If the whole game, Foods. Not even first half, the whole game, they never had any shots on target. I don't know about the second half of extra time because I only watched up until the first half of extra time, up until we scored that goal. I don't know whether bagcine bebenayo i-shots on targets. Maybe babenayo because besebedliwa. But yeah, first half was solid. Makaula obviously gets a yellow card, and then second half, this is where Coach Wadu uke wathi ungaka kancane, because this is something that is usually good at, but I felt like today when the risk. Second half, okay, understandably we am down to Makaula, but then okay, ufaka uTshephang Moremi, and then udroppa Umbatha into a six role, which he can play, yabo. But then mina nginenkinga with Umbatha noNemtajela as he paired. They just don't complement each other. Nemtajela futhi nje recently he's just been out of form. I don't know. The kid is really talented, super talented kid. Iplayer leliya uyambona nje ukuthi umnandi yalazi ibhola, but lately he's been off form. Akafani like the first few games esafika. Maybe it's the position abamdlalisa yona, because I remember the first few games esafika he was playing more of eight a box to box nje. Loves receiving ibhola first from the defenders driving forward adlala ama 1-2 yabo. Now almost is playing more of i-10 epressayo. I mean I understand ukuthi maybe ufuna ukupressa ngayo, but sometimes kumele ubucanga i-partnership yabo, because i-partnership anayo benombatha is just not working. Ayisebenzi, like second half nje we just dropped i-level of control game idrophile yabo. Okay, maybe you can understand from a Maromo Gallant's point of view ukuthi mhlawumbe ucoach ku-half time maybe he told his players ukuthi he wants them to control the game a little bit more, but bra nathi nje bese singenzi next in that second half. Honestly, from a fluidity point of view, like besingadlali kahle. And then udonsa umbatha uzofaka uSipho Mbule. That was my big concern. I was like, yo, lo coach uyagembula ke manje. Firstly, uSipho Mbule is not a 6. uSipho Mbule, in my opinion, uSipho Mbule is not a 6. Mawuzomfaka no-6, mufake with a player nalo comfortable ukudlala in that 6 role, or at least a deep line playmaker naye yabo. Angabi on that role yedwa yabo. We've got uNentajela who's now he's far away from the action. If uSipho Mbule gets a baller from deep positionally, no Sipho Mbule he's not necessarily a 6 even positionally, in my opinion. uSipho Mbule is an 8. He's not even a 10 foot. He's an 8. Box to box, receive ibhola from i-defense, he'll drive forward, ngilinikeza ama-attack. That's Sipho Mbule mina I know yabo. Uyamkhipha ulokhu nje umbatha who was playing as a 6 role. Now we expose in midfield. Bobona futhi even in marking when Maromo Gallant has the ball. Bobona in marking in midfield ukuthi iyaleka. These players they are just out of position. Yabona nje ukuthi ayikho ifluidity yabo. Yazi inkinga ukuthi when you are winning, yabo, when you are winning izinto ezikanje ziyazibeka yabo, because it seems like kumnandi because vele uyawina. Uma uwina no one will see your mistakes, but it was a risk. If besiluzile, a lot of people bebezoyibona lento le, because it was a risk. Keep uMakhawula ukukhipha nombatha, it was a risk, because angeke uzukhiphe ama-player bese ufaka amanye ama-player ngenxa ukuthi amnandi yabo. Sometimes you need to find i-balance yabo, and without Umbatha or Makhawula there in midfield, that midfield is just not solid enough in terms of marking, in terms of ukugcina ibhola yabo. Umbule mfethu umdlale nama-player nawo akwaziyo mfethu ukuba disciplined positionally yabo, nawo azoligcina ibhola and make him naye-ke thrive ngempela yabo. But then we got that goal. Pirates vele when the game gets emotional and then it gets a little bit nervy, angisho njalo, I'm using that word, gets a little bit nervy. It's somehow they just find that rhythm ukuthi balikore igoli yabo. It's just Pirates DNA ucoach Rivera aqhamuka nayo, and you can see ukuthi it's still there, and it's a good DNA to have, because you can win game even if besengekho kuhle. But yeah, man, overall I'm happy ukuthi we won the cup. Really happy with this second cup in this season. Yeah, man. Yeah, good times. I think now sekuzoba international break. No, yeah, international AFCON break, angisho njalo. AFCON break kuze kuqhubeke ngoJanuary, so it's time for the other players to reset. And then makubuya we have to continue the momentum coming into the next season, into the second half of the season, because we have a league to chase as well. I mean, I want that league. A lot of Orlando Pirates fans want that league. And this season seems a little bit more likely than last season, if I'm being totally honest. Last season we were just chasing into besingeke sivele siyifice. So this season it looks pretty more likely. We just need to stay consistent and make sure we don't lose games, because that's how Sundowns wins the league now. They don't lose games. So yeah, I'm really really happy for ezimnyama ngenkani, another trophy. Sibonge Majida. It's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakazini Mdima. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're talking breed football here on this channel. Um, yeah, man, engage with us. Join the conversations. Type in your comments. Anything. We're just here to talk football. So yeah, man, it's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakazini Mdima. We'll see you on the next one. Wola.